Welcome back to my channel and a warm welcome to all the newbies. Apologies for the delay, I have been under the weather, as you can still hear. And I do want to say thank you to Saviland for sending over their short square French tip press-on nails kit and for being patient with me. I'll be reviewing this amazing kit today, and I'll be sure to leave my affiliate link, discount code, and all the links to products used in today's video in the description box below. So whether you're new to nails or a pro, stay tuned for a step-by-step guide to perfect French tips at home. Before we dive in, let's address some common challenges we all face with nail tips application. Many of us love the idea of having salon quality nails at home, but often encounter obstacles like not having the right tools or feeling unsure about our skills. From shaky hands to confusion over which products to use, these hurdles can make achieving perfect nail tips seem daunting. But don't worry, I've got you covered with easy to follow steps and the right products to make your nail application journey smooth and fun. Let's get started with the unboxing and see what's inside the kit. Let's see what's inside the Saviland French Tip Press-On Nails Kit. As you can see inside, we have a fantastic range of tools and products. Short square press-on nails, top gel, builder gel, tip extend gel, tip primer, remover, solid extend gel, mini UV lamp, and lastly, your accessories packet. Now let's move on to the application process.
Blink and you were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I don't care the seasons change, 'cause darling, I'll stay right here with you.
And now for the grand reveal. Here are the final results. The transformation is amazing, isn't it? By adding a beautiful ring and rhinestone bracelets, we've taken everyday short square press-on French tips and made them look extraordinary. Let's do a quick before and after comparison to highlight just how much of a difference these Saviland products, combined with a bit of creativity, can make. From ordinary to stunning in just a few steps. Today we've used the Saviland Short Square French Tip Press-On Nails Kit to create some fabulous nail enhancements by adding a beautiful ring and rhinestone bracelets. These products make it easy to achieve professional looking nails at home. And with a little extra flair, you can make your nails truly stand out. I hope you found the tips and techniques helpful and feel inspired to try these enhancements yourself. Enjoy this video, please comment below with your favorite design. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more nail tutorials and tips. Let's make 2025 a year of beautiful nails and endless creativity.